Patients with minor injuries are not going to be the highest priority within an emergency department, and often that means that patients with minor injuries wait a lot longer than patients with more time-sensitive and critical illnesses that patients attend an emergency department with. If you've had some minor trauma and you have injuries such as wounds, fractures that need treatment, patients would normally think about going to the emergency department. Perhaps this would be the right place to attend. We have the ability to x-ray patients, so it may be patients that have fractures to their limbs from sustaining falls, for example. It could be dislocations, perhaps patients who have become injured in sporting injuries, animal and human bites, minor head injuries for patients who are not on anticoagulation, minor chest injuries where the patient is not coughing up blood and is not extremely short breath. Those are the sorts of examples of patients that we can deal with at the minor injury unit.